everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sporifii Learn. Now many of you were requesting the video of passing package. Just you have one day left, right? I'll be saying what are the questions first and I'll be at last saying how you can study in this one day effectively and easily score up to maximum of 55 plus marks with the same PDF. Okay, if you want the same answer with PDF for this questions, please do DM me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Sporifii_learn. It will be mentioned in description as well. And if you are watching my channel without subscribing, make sure to subscribe and then watch the video. Let's start the video without further wasting time. See, first the question module 1 we will be discussing. I have mentioned how many questions are there per module also. 5, 6 and 5, 6 are there, like that only it is, not more than that. See, first you can see the structure and function of a eukaryotic cell. Also explain the components of a eukaryotic cell. Next is stem cells, types and their applications. For this you have to write the definition, types and applications. I hope you are getting. Next is prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. This it is a difference. Okay. Next is nucleic acids with their properties and functions. And next is about the what is biomolecule. Classify the biomolecule, that is types of what are the types of biomolecules you have. And next is properties and functions of lipids and vitamins they have given. Okay, nucleic acids already given, it's about biomolecules, and for lipids and vitamins. Okay, if you study these 5 questions, it is more than sufficient to score at least 18 plus marks if you study this all questions. Okay, see, compare eukaryotic, prokaryotic and stem cell is one of the 100% sure shot question we can say. And another one question will be based on this, guys, like properties and like this and all for vitamin, nucleic acid, vitamin and lipids, like that it will be having. And either this biomolecules, okay, in this 2 and in these 3 it will be like, but you have to study all the 5 in order to write with the option. Okay, see how it will become of an exam means you will be having 2 questions, right? 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. If you study only 1, 2, 3, you will study, you think 1A you will be knowing, 1B you will not be knowing, 2A you will be knowing, 2B not, you will, like that it should not happen, right? You should know both the questions, means you have to study all these 5 questions. Okay, next let's discuss about the module 2. I hope you are getting how you can study. Module 2, it's again 5 questions again. This is one of the important module and scoreable module also. Next is DNA fingerprinting, its process and evaluates its effectiveness and reliability in forensic application. Next is RNA, like DNA, rabies vaccine and COVID-19 RNA vaccine. And next is properties of cellulose, that is CBWF, cellulose based water filter and as an effective water filter. Next is bioplastic PHA, meat analog and protein as food. This question is very much easy, which will be repeated. This is again explain PHA, its properties and engineering applications. If you study these 5 questions, again you can score at least 13 plus marks, okay, in this module. Okay, that way as a protein, like that, and also meat analog as a protein as food, mainly it will be repeated very much. Okay, next here is module 3 is about the 6 questions, EEG, electroencephalogram. And next is types of brain activity detecting using EEG and its application. Next is functioning of the brain and compare the brain as a CPU. You have to compare brain, how it acts as a CPU system, that also you can do easily. And again EEG also I have done module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, all the video I have done. Only pending is module 5. Immediately after this video I will be uploading that also. Next is eye as a camera system. Next is filtration in the human kidney. Next is design and construction of a pacemaker. Write a note on spirometry and ventilator. Next is heart as a pump system. You explain with structure and functions of rod and cone cells. That if you study these 6 questions easily, you can score 18 plus marks in this module easily. If not 18 plus, if you skip also, like if you are not perfect in any answer, at least 10 marks you can score. Okay, next is working and applications of bionic leaf, how it works, lotus leaf effect and its mechanism, super hydrophobic and like self-cleaning materials, that is surfaces. Explain the materials used in like inspired how shark skin inspired the bullet train, that is the shark beak. Okay, it's not shark skin, it is beak. Okay, next is HBOC and PFCs as human blood substitutes. Next is engineering applications of bio-inspired materials. That is 5 questions. If you study, you can easily score maximum marks, no need to worry at all for that. Next we will be discussing is about the module 5, electronic tongue, electronic nose, and compare them. Advantages and limitations of AI in disease diagnosis. This is one of the important question. Don't skip that. And This you can write even on based on general knowledge also, how it will be helping. Some websites will be there, it will be diagnosing the some of the diabetes when you enter the what level of the after the blood report comes, like that you can be writing generally. I have made all these answers into a single PDF. You can DM me on Instagram, it is Sporifii underscore learn is my account. Okay, next is bioimaging and its application. Next is steps in bioprinting process and various types of bioprinting techniques. Next is about the bioremediation and biomining, and differentiate microbial surface adsorption for biomining. Next is explain muscle cells as scaffold for tissue growth, DNA origami and biocomputing. I hope you got this. If you study these questions also, you can score maximum. If you take average of 10, 12, 13 and 10 again and 115 marks, you will be getting average of 55 plus marks if you study this whole. Okay, so I am saying just note down these questions and start preparing. Okay, like please don't waste time, as you have only 1 day gap. Day after tomorrow is your examination. I'm saying how you can prepare by these questions. If you have 1 day, right, 1 day you have left. Now today you try to complete at least module 1 and half of module 2, as you have done with time. It's almost like 6 o'clock now. You cannot study 3 or 2 modules continuously, so try to complete 1.5 module today. So tomorrow what you have to do is rest of 3.5 and revision you can complete. Okay, if you do with module 1 comma module 2 here half, here you can do module 2 half remaining, module 3, module 4. This you no need to revise because you have studied yesterday. Tomorrow only you will be studying. So module 1, module 2 half which you have studied, revise it tomorrow. Revise it tomorrow. So like the concepts which you have studied today and tomorrow, both will be clarified tomorrow. And there will be no need to worry at all, and you can easily score 55 plus marks if you follow the tricks I'll be saying. And just you have to write the answer, elaborate a theory a bit and write. If it is a 10 mark question, try to write 2 pages or more. If it is a 8 mark, make it to 1 3/4 of pages or more. And next is if it is for 7 marks, make it 1.5 or more. And if it is for 5 marks, make it as 1 or 1.5. Okay, and more. That's it. They'll be dividing it as 10, 8 or 5 or 7. And if it is for 4 marks also, sometimes it occurs, make it to 1 page. Okay, don't make it to 3/4, make it to 1 page, so that it will like elaborate a theory a bit. If there is diagram, please do draw the diagram so that it will be clearly visible and all. Please draw the diagram in pen itself, as your papers will be scanned, as you all know, I hope. And that's all I wanted to convey in this video. I hope everyone are clear with what are the questions that you need to focus in this subject. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment box. And thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next video, bye bye.